Okay guys, so today we are going to play Supreme Duelistic Man. And magaling ako dito. Anong nangyari? Bumalik ka dyan! Turo ka pa talaga sa akin ah. Ikaw yung ituro ko, sige. Aw. May bago pa lang na. But I'm poor. Wait, let me create the new map. Isa pa lang pala. Okay. Okay, so I will be buying some weapons today. I could buy the cards, but I don't think. The autumn is only for pro players. And nunchucks is very good. I tried this in my cousin's phone. And my favorite weapon is the Iron Hand and Dual Saber. I know that's normal, but please don't laugh at me. But I will buy. Uh, 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 Battleaxe. Battleaxe? Okay, so I will choose my opponent's weapon. Saan yung Battleaxe? Okay. I like lefty elevator. Okay, I made this, guys. I hope you like my map, guys. It has glass blocks first. Yeah, it's glass. It's glass. It's definitely glass. What do you expect more? Wow, no, stop stunning me. No, I hit you. Ha. Okay, that was kinda hard. Even because it was hard. But my cousin is more hard because we play this game. And tomorrow, I will be going to my cousin's. If there is no assignment. Oh, stop. Rest in peace, rest in peace. Bye-bye! Ba't nawala yung floor doon? Nawala yung floor? Okay, let me use my real voice. Just joking, I don't have a real voice. But don't rage bait me in the comments saying that I'm a robot. Watch out! Whoa! Watch out! Whoa! But it refused. Rest in peace. Rest in peace. Woo! Mahit ko pa yung stun. Stun. Fire stun. Stun fire. I will kill you. Whoever moves first is gay. No. Bago die. I will kill you. I will defeat you. You shall not pass. No. Why did I say whoever moves first is gay? Okay, I want to switch games a little bit. So I will do a um, bonus thingy for you guys before I play other games. I will not be playing Roblox because it's kind of boring now. I don't know why. Ding-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling. Okay, I think I will play chess next game. Or Mekaling Dalian, ano ba yun? Because I like this game. Nakaabot ako ng 9,000 na power dun dati eh. Habang yung cousin ko mga naka 2,000 na. Okay, please don't. You can hit on me. It's okay. No? Yep. This is the bonus thing. And I will stop at maybe 6 minutes and 30 seconds. Yeah, after I beat this guy. So I'm literally beating him. What the? Almost getting beaten. Boo is cooked. Oh. Okay. So let's hop on to the other game, which is Mekaling. Huh? I can't pronounce it. What? Okay, are flexing bad word. Okay. Huh? Bro. Bro. Huh? Ay, yung beaches. Kaka-tournament ko pa lang eh. Tatlo lang manalo ko. Out of 9 rounds yun, sorry. It's my fault. Okay, I will stop yapping a little bit. Guys, tignan nyo to. 1100. Anong gagawin ko? Anong ini-expect mo sa akin? Anong gagawin ko? Yan talaga yung panakala ko. Yan na nga. Ano pong gusto mo? Ano pa yung gusto mo? Dito muna nga. Bago tong pickaxe ah. Mga bot pa din to. Sorry Sobot, please English Sobot. Ow. Ow. I've always wanted to be a content creator since I was 4 years old. But I couldn't have the chance because of school. Bye-bye! I will kill you! Kill you! Okay, guys. I know some of you may hate me because my voice thing is clean, but I'm very sorry. It's I just don't know, man. I'm dummy. I'm a dumb. But I will keep posting because it was my dream. because I couldn't even choose a proper game because since I was a kid, I kept switching dreams and Muta. Two. Hmm? Huh? Uh, so that's how you do. I never thought you actually had to blend colors. Well, I accidentally do that in some of my projects in school. Oh, wait, let me stop yapping. Should I close the mic? Okay, let me close the mic.